In the video about calculations, we introduced a definition x equals 3. An expression like this is called an assignment, and the equals sign is called the assignment operator. The thing that appears on the left of the assignment operator is the target. It's the thing that we want to assign a value to. We call the target object a variable because its value can be changed. You can use whatever variable names you want. I'll name this variable elephants. I'll put a semicolon after the expression, and when I press enter, we see that nothing's printed in the command window, but the result has still been evaluated. The variable workspace keeps track of all the variables I've created, and we have this variable now elephants, which has the value 3. The thing on the right of the equals sign is the value that's to be assigned to the target, and it gets evaluated by MATLAB before the assignment is made. Therefore, I can't type 3 equals x for 2 reasons. I can't assign a value to 3 because it isn't a variable. Its value can't be changed. We say that the number 3 is immutable. Also, x doesn't have a value at the moment, so I can't assign it to anything. If I try 3 equals 3, I still get an error, because the value on the left is still not a valid target. If I put elephants equals x, then I get an error because x doesn't have a value to assign. However, if I put x equals elephants, then everything works out. Elephants has the value 3, and that value is now assigned to x. So I've now got 2 variables in the workspace, and both of them have the value 3. I can delete variables that I don't require any longer by right-clicking them. Or I can also delete them from the command window by typing clear followed by the variable name. To clear all the variables, I just type clear by itself. And I can also do this by selecting the clear workspace button on the toolbar. The toolbar I had hidden before, I've brought it back here, and we'll clear the workspace by clicking here. Although I was being silly by naming my variable elephants, you should generally try to choose helpful names that add meaning to your work. You can use uppercase or lowercase letters, or a mixture of both, but try to be consistent. If your variable name is more than one word, then you can either use an underscore in the variable name, like this, instead of a space, because spaces aren't allowed, or you can use camel case, which is named because of its humped back. It's where each word starts with a capital letter.